What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a 24-week update on my pregnancy. I'm going to be telling you guys how I feel, showing you guys my belly bump. I did record a clip of the baby moving in my belly, so I'm also going to be showing you guys this. And I have like some few clips here and there. I'm going to be cooking some chicken Alfredo for my family of 4, so I also recorded that so y'all could see my quick little recipe when I just want to do something, knock up something real quick for the family. That's one of my go-to, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I just had a doctor's appointment about 3 days ago. Everything went well. The baby, the heart rate was 150 something, which is good. The baby's moving a lot, which is good. Sometimes he chooses to move like the wrong time, like when I drive in, which is very uncomfortable because I'm driving. But anyways, he chooses to move when I'm driving, and he moves a lot when I'm home. In the night, sometimes he'll get up and he'll be moving around. I could feel him. I could visibly see him moving now. So it's exciting. I'm excited for him to come. I even got him like Christmas presents because I'm so excited for him to come. I have like 16, I think like 16 more weeks to go, or 15 weeks, something like that. I have 16 more weeks to go. The baby's due date is actually March 24th. That's actually the date that I'm going to be scheduling the delivery. The doctor said with every C-section, you have to schedule it like a week earlier, something like that. So the first one, that wasn't like planned anyways. So the second one, you have to schedule it like 39 weeks. And the third one, you have to schedule it 38 weeks. So if I have a fourth one, that would be scheduled 37 weeks. And if I have a fifth one, that would be scheduled 36 weeks. But who having a fifth one? Not me. But anyways, that's the plan. So March 24th is actually the due date. I've been feeling really good. I just been a little tired because like trying to find a comfortable spot is like hard. And then it's like I have all these pillows to like try to make me feel comfortable, but for some reason, like I don't feel comfy. I don't feel good laying on the right side. I don't feel good laying on the left side. I don't feel good laying on my back. It's just really uncomfortable right now. Like when I lay on my back, I feel like I can't breathe. Like I'm pushing food back up in my throat. It's weird. And then when I lay on my side, it just feels like, like I weigh a lot, and then like all my weight like pushing on one side. It just feels really weird. So I haven't been finding like comfy ways to sleep. I was thinking about sleeping on a recliner because at this point, I feel like the only way I could sleep is sitting up. It's annoying. But nonetheless, I'm gonna do what I have to do to be comfortable and to try to get some sleep, because literally last night I got like 3 or 4 hours of sleep. Like it was bad. It was so bad. But anyways, other than that, everything is fine. Everything is peachy. Baby's doing great. I'm doing great. I feel good. My stomach is huge, okay? My stomach is huge. I don't care what nobody tell me. I know. And then the other day, my husband gonna say, he gonna be like, babe, you know what? Your stomach ain't big, It just look huge. Like really? Your stomach ain't big. It just look huge. Wow. Thanks, guy. Thanks. So I know my stomach is huge. And excuse my bra straps. I really hate like bra straps being shown, like when you have on a cute top. But listen, I ain't able, okay? I really just wanted to do this video for you guys because I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. I say I'm gonna upload on Sundays, and your girl trying to upload on Sundays. I am actually trying to like stay consistent with my channel because I wasn't consistent with my channel, and for that reason, right now I feel like I'm being punished with my view count. I feel like I'm being punished, but nonetheless, I'm going to stay consistent and just keep it pushing, and we gonna be all right. We gonna be all right. I have to schedule a glucose test. So the glucose test is when you drink the soda, which I actually like because it tastes like Fanta. It tastes like orange soda. So I had like doing that test really. So you have to fast like from 12 a.m. you can't eat anything until you drink liquid, and then they do the test. So yeah, so I have to schedule that. I'm thinking I'll probably schedule it sometime this week, just to get it over with. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it, guys. That's about it. They were saying that the baby is like 1.5 pounds and 11.5 inches. That's about the size. 16 more weeks to go. That's it. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm going to be showing you guys like my little quick little recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, bye. Oh, let me show you a baby bump. Look at this thing. I like this shirt, guys. I did a previous video with this shirt. It's cute. Like, look at it. Oh, you're so cute. Look your little nose and your little eyes. It's a really cute shirt. But anyways, this is my bump. Like, look at this. This looks like a ball. It looked like I literally wearing a ball in my stomach. Okay, so if you look closely, you'll see the baby moving. I'm going to poke the top of my belly every time I do this. Like, he moves. So just watch. You have to watch closely. And rewind it if you didn't see it, but watch closely. This is at 24 weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna do this quick recipe for you guys. So I'm using fettuccine pasta. So I'm just boiling it up in some salt water. And then I'm going ahead and grilling my 3 pieces of chicken breast that my husband seasoned overnight. I'm just going to be putting them on the grill. It's good to season the chicken breast overnight. That way the flavor is all up in the chicken. Nothing worse than eating chicken Alfredo and the chicken just bland. Okay? I have bought chicken Alfredo with bland chicken before. It's not good. So I'm just putting them on the Foreman grill, and I'm gonna grill these up for about like 10 minutes or less. They cook really fast, so probably like 7 minutes. So I'm just going ahead and giving them a little flip. That way both sides is nice and brown. I'm going to be adding some broccoli. So the chicken is all done. It's good to go. So I'm just going to be chopping it up into small little squares. Okay, so you're gonna be needing some shredded cheese, about 1/2 cup. You're gonna need heavy cream. You're gonna need your broccolis washed and chopped. some minced garlic and your chopped chicken. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan. Make sure your pan is not too hot. I had the pan a little too hot, but that's okay. It didn't burn. It's fine. Add the minced garlic. Mix that around a little bit. Like so. And you want to throw a little bit of flour in there. Just a little bit, not too much, probably like a tablespoon. Mix that around also. And then you're gonna put the heavy cream in. Yes. And you're gonna season this up. I'm seasoning it with some black pepper, some Flavor God garlic lover seasoning. That's one of my favorite. It's so good, like it's so good. And adding a little salt to that too. And if you have fresh parsley, get some fresh parsley on hand. Not putting it in as yet, but we're gonna put it in closer to the end. Okay, so when the cream comes to a boil, you're gonna add your broccoli in. You don't wanna cook your broccoli too much. I like my broccoli nice and hard and crisp. I don't like it saggy at all. So I pretty much do this for like a minute, 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the cheese, and then I'm going to add the pasta. So I'm just adding my little 1/2 cup of cheese, mixing it around, make sure it's all melted and good in there. It'll thicken up the sauce real nice. And then I'm going to add the pasta in there. And just mixing it around. Girl. This thing was so good, right? My mouth is watering just watching this over again. Oh, so this is where I add the fresh parsley. Like, it just makes a difference. Like, your girl is looking like Chef Boyardee. Chef Boyardee. Okay? This look good. Don't lie. This look good. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up if this look delicious. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.